Hey guys, just got a very quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro leather case. There's not much to it, it's pretty simple. This fits the iPhone 11 Pro model. All it says on the back is that it's the black iPhone 11 Pro leather case. That's all you get. So let's just get this out. See what it's like. So there's a little instruction there on how to put it into your phone. So you just pop the top of your phone in there and then press it down. These can spread out sideways a little bit to allow it to pop into your phone. It's very, very, very nice, soft leather, as you would expect from Apple. You've got the nice little logo right in the middle at the back there. Got the square camera cutout. You've got a nice lock button and volume up and down buttons, and a very soft microfiber suede lining on the inside there so it doesn't scratch the back of your phone. So I'll test this out and see how it goes. Hopefully it develops nicely on the back as genuine leathers do. Gets that nice wearing. And yeah, that's the iPhone 11 Pro leather case. Thanks for watching, guys.